Hey there! Welcome to another Lambda test tutorial on real-time testing. In this video, we will look at how you can mark bugs and share them across your favorite team collaboration, bug tracking, and project management tools like Jira, Asana, Trello, Slack, Microsoft Teams in just a single click. To begin with, go to the real-time testing from the left menu bar. Real-time testing is a feature that allows you to perform live testing of your website on more than 2,000 browsers and operating systems hosted over the Lambda Test cloud. To learn about the real-time testing in detail, please refer to the video suggested on your screen. Enter the URL on which you wish to run the test. Select desktop browsers along with the desired OS and resolution and click on Start. Lambda Test will fire up a real machine based on your selected configurations, and now you can do the live testing on your web application in a real test environment. While testing, if you come across any bug, the Mark as Bug button will help you capture, highlight and share this UI bug on the fly. Click on the bug icon and Lambda Test will capture a screenshot of your website. An inbuilt image editor will open up with the captured screenshot. In this editor, you will also find multiple buttons to highlight and annotate your UI bugs, such as draw shapes, underline, add text, and choose colors. You can easily highlight the bug and click on the Mark as Bug option. A new window will pop up where you can integrate with your favorite project management tools, bug tracking tools, or communication tools through Lambda Test. Complete the steps to integrate your Lambda Test account with your favorite tool successfully. For each tool, we also have a step-by-step guide that you can open up using the Help icon. If your favorite integrations isn't listed in the pop-up, no worries. Click on More Integrations and you can see the complete list of integrations available with Lambda Test. You can even search for it from the search bar for quick access. Once the integration is complete, you will see your favorite tools listed in the next window. You can then set the bug's priority, assign it to your team member, add a bug title and an optional description of the bug. You will see your integrated tool listed here with the default tick on it. It means that as soon as you click on the Create Issue button, the bug will be sent to this platform. When you click on the Create Issue, you will receive a prompt message confirming your bug has been successfully marked. Don't want to integrate with any third-party tool? No problem, we've got you covered. Lambda Test's Issue Tracker will help you keep track of all the marked bugs. To access them, just go to Issue Tracker from your Lambda Test dashboard and you can find the details of the bug marked along with the screenshot. If you don't find your favorite tool on the list, feel free to reach out to our support and we would be more than happy to help you get the integration in place. We also have a step-by-step guide in place for real-time testing to help you mark and share your bugs. You can find its link in the description below. If you face any challenges, please reach out to us via our chat support or drop us a mail at support@lambdatest.com. And yes, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more helpful videos from Lambda Test. Happy testing!